All right, guys, number 3. It wants us to write, that's what it says, that's our command, write the equilibrium constant expressions Kc and Kp. So Kc for concentration, Kp for pressure. Well, how do I tell them apart? Almost everyone can be concentration, right? You can almost always have a moles per volume, whether it's a gas, whether it's a liquid. We don't do solids in the equilibrium constant expression. So if it's aqueous, or if it's even a non-aqueous solution, well, most of the time in Gen Chem 1 and 2, we're going to be aqueous solutions. Pressure, you need gases. So whenever we have these G's, right, we can do pressures. Oh, there's an E. So E only has, let's make it a little bit bigger, aqueous reaction. So E cannot do Kp. All right, so we'll do Kep here, which would be what? Products, pressure of CO squared, pressure of O2, all over the pressure of CO2, carbon dioxide, squared. Kc would be concentration of carbon monoxide, squared, concentration O2, all over concentration of carbon dioxide, squared. There we go. That's it. So we're just writing the expression, but I want to make sure you guys understand how to do all this, because this is like tying your shoes to play the game. All right, so for B, not P, let's go with K. Kp is equal to products, pressure of O3 squared, all over the pressure of O2 cubed. Kc would be the concentration of O3 squared, all over the concentration of O2 to the third power. That's all we're doing, right? And so the 3 and the 2, right? Hopefully you're picking up what we're putting down here. If you have questions, ask, because this is a major, right? If you can't do this, like, we won't be able to do most of the future. All right, for Kp, this is all 1, 1, 1. So it'd just be the pressure of COCl2 over the pressure of CO multiplied by the pressure of Cl2. And then Kc would be the concentration of everything. All right. D. All right. So D, I want to point something out with D. Kp, products, pressure of carbon monoxide, pressure of hydrogen gas. All right. And if you want to put parentheses around them, you can. H2O, we are going to include H2O. Why are we going to include H2O? Because it's a gas. But we're not going to include carbon solid, because it's a solid. Same thing with Kc, which is weird, right? Because you got the concentration of carbon monoxide, which is normal. Concentration of H2, fine. But then you have the concentration of H2O, which we never write down. But in this case, we will, because it's a gas, right? So you got to pay attention to those details. Those details are important. Oh, we had an F too. Look at that. All right, we had an F. So E, we can't do Kp, so we can only do Kc, right? And that is concentration of H plus, concentration of HCOO minus, all over concentration of HCOOH. And F is the last one. And if we look here for F, we have a gas. All right, so I can do Kp. All right, and that would just be the pressure of O2. And that's it. And Kc is just the concentration of O2. That's it, right? Why? Well, because we have liquid and we have solid, and they're not written in the equilibrium constant expression. All right, so that's right in the expression. Again, this is a major. If you have anything, if you have any concerns with this, practice it, email me, reach out, seek help, because this is fundamental. All right, we'll see you for the next one. Take care.